Excited for Christmas. Oh my goodness. No. The sun is out. Literally the right time because I was about to get emotional. So what I should be doing today.
Don't rush. Don't rush. Don't. Don't worry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. Well, we have 1 week left on the island. We didn't really do much today. Just watched movies. I didn't take any pictures like I was supposed to. If you watched the last vlog, then you know that yesterday we were busy with a lot of different outfits, like shooting different outfits, and I still had 6 left for today and I didn't shoot them. I think I might try to like get myself to shoot them another day before we leave, but fingers crossed. Hopefully I'll have the time for that. I have my bikini on underneath my jacket and I'm ready to go to the pool, but somebody is not ready. I'm talking about you, yes. But the sun is still out, so I want to be in the pool before the sun goes down. So I'm going to go cut some fruits and then try to bribe my boyfriend to go to the pool. So we're able to leave the hotel today, but we just decided that we're leaving tomorrow. So I have to pack my bag today so that I don't have to do that tomorrow morning and stress with that. So I think I'm gonna do that now because he wants to sleep for 10 minutes before we go to the pool. So I'm gonna just start packing my bag and then hopefully by that time we can go to the pool. Oh, and my sister and my dad are also coming over just to like hang out. So I think they might be here like maybe a half an hour or something like that. It's 5 o'clock now and my sister said she'll be here around 5. So I always give them like a 40-minute like time gap before they actually get here. So I'm expecting them in like maybe 40 minutes, no 30. Okay, I cut up some papaya. I didn't cut this because I wasn't sure if I was going to eat it. I think it's getting foggy. Oh gosh, wait. So I'm sitting here enjoying the sun and the pool, but my boyfriend doesn't want to sit in the sun. So I think I'm just gonna go sit by him because that's so much more fun than sitting here.
You're still young, you're still fresh. You've done so many great things already. You've influenced so many people. Okay, I'm resting.
Today is Wednesday and we are leaving the hotel today. So I'm basically just packing up all our stuff. These are all the things that I bought that I'm going back home with to my house, and I'm packing my boyfriend's stuff and I am packing my things at the same time. The sun is out today and it looks super beautiful, and we're gonna go back to half reality, not complete reality yet.
I come right.
It's eating. Don't think it yet. Don't think it yet. I want to see. Oh, bye, birdie. Today is Friday, and we just made it to Baby Beach. We are going to swim for a little bit. I don't think it's gonna be my last beach day, but it's like close to the last because I think my last beach day is gonna be on Sunday. I'm gonna go enter in the water and enjoy the salty water and the hot sun. Hey!
From Italy.
No. This is what I should be doing today on a Saturday, but I've decided not to, and I'm gonna go to bed. So today is Sunday and I actually started packing yesterday. It happened pretty late last night, before I watched a movie. I have literally only my clothes in here that I came with, and it actually looks really full, but it's not really that many clothes. I just need to add like all the extra little things that I came with and figure out where I'm going to put everything, and also what I'm wearing today and tomorrow and on Tuesday, because officially I have 2 days left before I go, or 2 whole days, and then on Tuesday we're leaving. This part is usually the hard part for me because I don't really know like where to put what and what I'm not going to use. Usually I'd be super late with packing, and whenever I go back I would start to pack a little bit, kind of, maybe not really, and then really the last day I'd struggle still to put stuff anywhere. But that is because, or it's easier because I'm not going to use anything, you know, everything's got to go. But now I feel like I still have 2 whole days that I might want to use something, so I don't know where to put what. This HDMI cable is actually for a Mac, which I'm gonna go with because it's mine and my parents don't use it anyway, so I can watch some good Christmas movies when I'm back home, put my laptop on a TV. And then I have this little suitcase that I'm also gonna put things in. I usually like to put my jeans in here because they're pretty heavy compared to all the other clothes that I own. So I'm gonna try to put in some jeans and some sweatpants. I think I might even go with sweatpants and then take them off like I did the last time. That way it'll be easier, you know, I won't have to really carry around too many things. I am now sitting in the living room, or actually the dining room. Sorry, I'm a little tired. I'm all over the place today. It's now, I can't see it from here, 11:30, and right, yeah, 11:30, and I've been up since 7:30 this morning, and I've been waking up 7:30 really like consistently lately, which I like because it's not so hot in the morning, the air conditioning is still on, so it's still like, you know, it's okay. And I like that I wake up and I start being productive right away, which I don't feel like is very healthy, but I'm really liking it. Like, I'm actually enjoying it a lot. I've been drinking a lot of water because I have to make sure I stay hydrated. I need to do a couple of things today. We're going to the beach today, which is going to be a lot of fun. But I'm also trying to work a little bit. Yesterday I worked overtime. I literally worked from 7 o'clock till 6, which is not healthy. So the 2 content days that I had, right? I have or at least I had a total of 60 pictures that I actually liked and that were like ready to post. I wish it was 60 separate pictures, like 60 pictures that I could actually just post right now, and it wasn't like some of them are like bundles, you know how you have like the swipe thing where you could swipe to multiple pictures. It's mostly that. So in total I have about 20 pictures or 20 posts that I can post on my Instagram, and then some of them have like 4 different pictures that I really like that I felt like would look good together with like the swiping thing, and then some of them have just 1 picture and that's it, and some have like 2, you know, things like that. So I'm very happy with the amount of pictures that I had. It's not what I wanted. I actually wanted to have 30, and that's the reason why I had 8 outfits here at the house and then 11 outfits at the hotel. We didn't end up shooting the other pictures. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I didn't end up shooting the other pictures. So if you saw last week's vlog, we only shot 5 outfits and the other 6 didn't happen at all. I'm also just really drained and exhausted, and that's why I didn't really make time to try and still shoot the 6 pictures one of these days. I mean, we're leaving in 2 days. We're literally leaving the day after tomorrow, and it feels kind of scary, if I do say so myself. It's just weird how, I don't know, like it almost feels like once we really leave, like it's really like done and over, like it's just, this is our life now. I know I'm not making much sense because I'm not saying everything that I'm supposed to be saying, but basically, if we were to ever come back to Aruba, or of course we're gonna come back to Aruba eventually, but when we come back to Aruba one day, it just won't be the same like it used to be. So it's just really scary to me because like by next year my sister will be done with school and she'll be moving to Holland, and when I come back then it's just not gonna be the same. Does that make sense? Okay, my space died at literally the right time because I was about to get emotional. But on a more exciting note, I'm very excited about being able to run my business again, because I haven't been able to do that for almost 3 months. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited for new product launches. I'm excited for hopefully getting more orders, hopefully reaching more people, hopefully people will start to see how great my products are. The people that have purchased it, or at least the reviews that I got back, are very positive, so I'm very happy about that. I'm just excited to see how well my business will be able to do, if that makes sense. Because you could have a really great product, but if you don't know how to sell the product, like it's not happening, you know what I mean? So I'm excited to see how I'm going to adapt and learn how to sell a product that is my own, because I have a little thing where I just feel a little uncomfortable trying to sell my product, and I need to stop doing that because I'm not gonna sell if it stays that way. So I'm just excited to see how I'm gonna grow in that way, and how life is going to be now that we're going to be back, because a lot of things I'm going to be doing at home. I have this sort of internship project thing that I have to do, and I'm going to have to do that from home. I'm not going to go to the place, so I'm basically going to be home literally all week. Only one day I'm going to have like a couple of hours of school, and then I actually have to physically go to school, which is not going to be every week either, so that's great. So I'm just excited to see how things are going to be. I'm excited for Christmas. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for Christmas. I'm excited to I don't know, I'm excited to see what kind of things we will be doing for Christmas, because I've only spent Christmas in Holland once, and it was terrible. That was like the worst Christmas like ever. I really did not. Oh no, I did it twice. Okay, well, the 2 times that I stayed were terrible, but now that I really have a life there, I feel like it's gonna be great, and I feel very, very passionately that it's gonna be a really amazing Christmas, or at least as amazing as we can make it. So I'm just excited. I know that some of my boyfriend's cousins are staying in Holland, so we'll probably hang out with them as well, and we're just gonna make the best out of it, and I know that it's gonna be just great and amazing. Okay, well, I have been talking a little too much now. I need to rebraid my hair because I'm looking a little crazy, and we're gonna go to the beach later, and I also have to get back to work. I don't know exactly what I'm doing today. I think I might start to organize some Instagram pictures, because when I am back, which by the time you guys see this vlog, you guys will already see like some of the posts that went up, but I want to start posting again when I get back home, because then I can be like consistent and try to be consistent all year long. That is like the ultimate goal, so I'm going to try to do that. A lot going on, a lot of things that are going to change, a lot of things that we're gonna have to deal with emotionally, and it's just a lot. So I have decided that I'm going to end this vlog because the vlog footage that I have is already a little long. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. By the time this video goes up, I think I've been in Holland for maybe like 2-3 weeks already, and you're probably wondering, well, why are you still uploading Aruba vlogs but then your regular content is just like content in Holland? I personally felt like content from Aruba would be a lot more fun for you guys, because once I am back, oh, I'm talking too much again. Once I'm back in Holland, I'm going to be really focused on school, and I'm also going to be really focused on creating content for the week, or not the week, the month after. So for the month of October and the month of November. Wait, no, not the month of October. I'm actually going to be more focused on creating content for the month of November, because Christmas is coming up, so I want to be just ready and have really great content that you guys can actually enjoy. So if you have any suggestions on things that you really want to see for Christmas, rather it be like some baking ideas or more like outfit videos. I don't think I'll be doing a lot of makeup videos because it's not something that hits really good on my channel right now, so I don't think I'll be doing a lot of makeup stuff. Maybe like in a vlog or something, I don't know. But point is, let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.